Kia Connect provides you with access to a full range of popular features that can enhance your comfort, convenience, and safety. To control these features directly from your smartphone, download the Kia Access app. Once you've downloaded the Kia Access app to your smartphone, open the app, agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, and log in using the phone number or email you used to activate Kia Connect in your vehicle's infotainment system. The Kia Access app includes available features like remote vehicle start and stop, remote door lock and unlock, remote climate control, maintenance reminders, and a way to automatically provide the location of your vehicle for roadside assistance during an emergency. There's also a Find by Car feature that will find and provide you with directions to your vehicle's location. The available stolen vehicle recovery feature may assist law enforcement with vehicle recovery. On EVs, features may include remote charging, charging status notification, and charge scheduling. Other available features may include a geofence alert, curfew alert, and a speed alert. You even have access to your finance information if you financed your vehicle through Kia America Finance. For additional information, refer to your owner's manual. You can also go to the Kia Features and Functions Videos YouTube channel or your Kia Features and Functions Quick Reference Guide. Thanks for watching!